What's going on, guys? I just wanted to talk to y'all about the car because I haven't really posted anything about the car, and the car's been at the shop over a month already. The whole body's back on the car besides the front bumper and the rear bumper because he's going to paint those parts off the car. And I have a small bit of footage within the shop. I've tried to get the guys at the shop. Nick is the owner, but there's been another guy working on the car majority of the time, and he hasn't really done too much of videoing as I would like, but it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. We'll keep on moving on, and I'll try to talk much as I can about the car, what they've done to it. So I've bought a aftermarket radiator. I think it's a fluidized. Yeah, it is a fluidized radiator, and a heat exchanger as well. All that's been on the car. I've got Canton supercharger coolant tank and the coolant tank for the car as well. So there's a little bit of aftermarket parts that I bought for the car. Just since it's going to be replaced and things like that, I might as well just go ahead and get something better than what I already had. So they've already straightened out the apron rail on the car. They actually just this past week put the fender, the door, the bottom side skirt on the driver's side, things like that, all back on the car. And the first time they put the fender on the car to test fit it, it was like a 1/4 of an inch off. So they had to put the car back on the frame machine and straighten out the apron rail a little bit more. And of course the radiator support was bent, so that's already been bent back to where it needs to be, and everything aligns properly as he's told me, and it looks good as well. So the car hasn't been painted yet. He's already placed all the airbags. I mean, really, honestly, everything on the car that is done. We got blue lights. Alrighty. No speeding in the old four-banger. So Nick actually drove the car to the alignment shop after he got everything back on it, corrected and everything. I got new headlights for the car from Sting Lights on Instagram. He sponsors me. Just go check him out. I tagged his Instagram in the description below. My dad was actually at the shop at the time, so he recorded him driving to the shop, and it was so exciting to see the car back on the road. Besides that, he got it to the alignment shop, put it on the rack, and the K-member's bent. So Nick kind of feels bad. I didn't really catch that at the beginning, but I told Nick it ain't no big deal, man. At the end of the day, I really want the car that's done right, and I mean, it's going well so far. So this past Thursday, when I got off work, I went to Fastlane Motorsports in Benson, North Carolina, and I picked up a UPR K-member chrome molly. It had the springs. I got new struts for the car. I went with 14-inch springs, 175 pounds. I got the A-arms to go with it, the camber plate, the bump steer kit. I had to order that because that's the only thing Panda didn't have in stock at Fastlane. So big thanks to them and shout out to them. They do awesome work. I plan on taking my car there when I get it done, and hopefully sooner or later, maybe months down the road, I'll be getting it ported, cams in the car and running E85. So he really wants to videotape him painting the car, and he's going to do a whole time lapse because Nick himself is going to be putting the K-member in. So he's going to do a time lapse over all that. So that'd be pretty cool to watch. Definitely going to try to add some small clips of what the car's going through or been through already, because this is a month late. I apologize for not updating y'all throughout the weeks, but this with working and everything, it's just been kind of hard. And just to let y'all know too, I really want to give Nick a shout out. He's really helped me out a lot, and like I said, he's throughout the process so far, he's really done great work to the car. But it's actually at Cape Fear Collision and Paint and Body off of Bragg Boulevard. That's in Fayetteville, North Carolina. So if anybody's watching this and you're local and you need body work, you need a paint job or anything, y'all be sure to go hit him up. He's a really awesome guy, down to earth. Anytime I call him, he's there. He's willing to help. Thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and Can't wait to get the car back. I'll see y'all then.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you out? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones